Are you worried whether you're doing the Ganesha Chaturthi Puja the right way? Don't worry. Today I am going to walk you through with the simple step-by-step guide with powerful mantra that you need to be chanting so that you can perform the puja this Ganesha Chaturthi in your home and receive Lord Ganesha's blessings into your life for success, prosperity, abundance, and to remove the obstacles from your life. Shri Matre Namaha Guru Kataksham Ambalanugraham Paripurnam. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide. I'll also be giving you a special gift. So do stay till the end to receive the special gift, to know about the special gift, and learn how to do the Ganesha Chaturthi Puja in the right way. We all perform Ganesha Chaturthi or Vinayaka Chaturthi on the Shukla Chaturthi of Bhadrapada Masa every year. This year, Ganesha Chaturthi is on 27th August 2025. We all know that you perform puja or you invoke Lord Ganesha to remove the obstacles so that you are able to move and grow in your life. As Siddhidata, Lord Ganesha is the one who bestows you the success. Lord Ganesha is the combined manifestation of Shiva and Shakti. In Lalita Sahasranamam, one of the namam is Kameshwar Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. Lord Ganesha manifested just by mere glance of Mata Lalitambika at Kameshwara. When you perform the puja on this Ganesha Chaturthi, if at all you are facing any issue in your life, it can be health issue, it can be related issue to your job, your career, your business, you are struggling to grow, then performing this puja will help you to overcome those obstacles and you start progressing and achieve success and prosperity in your life. And why we perform Ganesha Chaturthi? By invoking Lord Ganesha in the idol, the clay idol. We all have Ganesha photo at home. Why we have to invoke in the clay idol? As per the Vedic scriptures, Lord Ganesha resides in Mooladhara Chakra in our body. Mooladhara Chakra represents the Prithvi Tattva, which is the earth element. So, Mooladhareshu Ganeshwara. So, because he resides in the Prithvi Tattva, to represent that, we make the Ganesha idol with clay. Now, if you're someone who is residing somewhere out of India where getting clay idol is not possible, you can prepare idol with your own hands. In those days, actually, the process was you have to prepare the clay idol at your own home and offer the puja. If clay is not available, you can also do the idol with the power of turmeric powder. Yeah, you can also do that. Just take a fistful of turmeric powder, add little by little water, mix it, prepare like this image. This is also the representation of Lord Ganesha, and do the puja for this also fine. If the clay idol is not available, if the clay idol is available, do use the clay idol itself. On the day of Ganesha Chaturthi, you can bring home the clay idol, or you can also bring the Ganesha idol a day before in the evening and keep it in your puja room. Let Lord Ganesha face east. If that is not possible, whichever is the best possible direction, east or west or north, you can place the Ganesha idol. You have to put a banana leaf, plantain leaf on that. Put fistful of rice on that, keep a brass plate. On the brass plate, keep the Ganesha idol. You can arrange for flowers that is needed for the puja. It can be yellow color flowers, red color flowers, and the patras such as tulsi, durva grass. Grass is very, very auspicious on this day, and only on Ganesha Chaturthi you can offer tulsi to Lord Ganesha. On all other days, it is not. You should not be offering tulsi leaves to Lord Ganesha, but only on this Chaturthi day. So you can offer the tulsi, you can offer bilva patra. So these are, you can arrange for the flowers. Also, you have to prepare naivedyam. You can prepare modakam. You can prepare sundal, sharakam. Yeah, I'll be giving the YouTube video of how to prepare sharakam below. You can watch that. You can prepare payasam or any dish that you can prepare and offer for naivedyam. So this has to be offered, the naivedyam has to be offered after the puja. So you can In the morning itself, you can arrange for everything and then start your puja. This year Ganesh Chaturthi is on Wednesday, so being Wednesday, Rahu Kalam is at between 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam is between 7:30 to 9 a.m. So you can start your puja after 9 a.m. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the good time. So start at 9 a.m. You can start the Ganesha puja on this Ganesha Chaturthi day at 9 a.m. And whichever time zone you are, you can see the calendar, you can Google and check when is the Ganesha Chaturthi, and you can perform this puja. The timing that I am giving is for India. Get up early, take bath, prepare all the puja items that is needed, prepare the naivedam that is needed, and then come and sit for puja. First and foremost, arrange the Ganesha, decorate the Ganesha, and then light the lamp. While lighting the lamp, chant Sarvamangala Mangale Shive Sarvat Sadike Sharanye Trambike Devi Narayani Namostute. To perform Ganesha Puja, you have to invoke Lord Ganesha first. Invoke Lord Ganesha by chanting Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturabhujam Prasannavadaram Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopasantaye. Then invoke your Guru, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Then invoke your Kuladevam, invoke your Ishtadevam. If you know the mantra, if you don't know the mantra, you can chant Om Kuladevataya Namaha, and you can start the puja. Now the first is you have to take the Sankalpam. Yeah, I'll also be walking you through. I'll be chanting the mantra so that you know how to perform the puja. This puja is Shodashopachara Puja, which is 16 types of upacharas to be offered to Lord Ganesha on this auspicious day of Ganesha Chaturthi. After doing the Sankalpam, do the Avahanam. Take a Akshata in your hand and put it on Lord Ganesha and say Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Avahayami, and then take Akshata and flower in your hand and offer to Lord Ganesha and say Om Shri Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Asanam Samarpayami, which is you're asking Lord Ganesha to be seated. And then you have to do the Achanam. So have a Panchapatra Rudrani with water and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Padyam Samarpayami, and then again take a spoon of water and you shrav a cup nearby and offer the water and put it in the cup. Yeah, Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Arghyam Samarpayami. Then Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Achamaniyam Samarpayami. And then you have to prepare Madhupargam. Madhupargam is mixture of honey, sugar or jaggery, ghee, curd. Mix it well. This is Madhupargam. So you have to say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Madhupargam Samarpayami. Take a spoon of Madhupargam and offer it to Lord Ganesha. And then you have to say Snanam. Here, because it is clay idol, you should not be performing Abhishekam. So dip a flower in water and just sprinkle on Lord Ganesha and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Snanam Samarpayami. Take Achamanam and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Snananantaram Achamaniyam Samarpayami. And then offer a Vastram. You can offer a blouse piece or a cloth that you have prepared for Lord Ganesha and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Vastram Samarpayami. Now if you don't have Vastram, you are doing puja to the turmeric idol, then you can just take Akshata in your hand and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Vastrartam Akshatam Samarpayami and put it on Lord Ganesha. And then you have to offer Yagnopavitam. Yagnopavitam is the punal or the jenu, the sacred thread that you put. So you have to put the sacred thread from left on the left shoulder of Lord Ganesha. So you have to put that and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Yagnopavitam Samarpayami. Now if you don't have Yagnopavitam, you can take the Akshata and say Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Yagnopavitartham Akshatam Samarpayami. And then next is Abharanam. You have to adorn Lord Ganesha with jewels. You can put some chain or whatever jewels that you have, you can put. If you don't have, again you can use Akshata. Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Abharanani Samarpayami or Abharanartham Akshatan Samarpayami. And then you have to apply Gandham, which is Chandanam, to Lord Ganesha. Take a Chandanam in your hand and say Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Gandham Samarpayami. Gandhasyopiri, and then take Kumkumam and say Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Gandhasyopiri Haridra Kumkumam Samarpayami. And then take the garland, flower garland, and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Pushpamalam Samarpayami. Then Pushpaihi Pujayami. Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Pushpaihi Pujayami. So now you should offer puja to Lord Ganesha. Now to offer puja, you can chant Ashtottara Shatanamavali, which means 108 namams of Lord Ganesha. As you chant the namam, offer flower, offer patras such as tulsi, bilva patra, you can offer and chant the namam. Now, after you have offered the puja, you have to show the incense stick. So you can ring the bell and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Dhupam Agrapayami or Dhupam Samarpayami, and then you have to show the Deepam. Siddhivinayak, you have lit a lamp, take a flower in your hand and show that lamp to Lord Ganesha and say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Pratyaksha Deepam Sandarshayami, and then you have to offer Naivedyam. So the mantra to be chanted is Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Mahanaivedyam Nivedayami Modakam Nana Bhakshyam Nivedayami, which means you prepare Modakam and all Bhakshanams that you have prepared for Lord Ganesha and say I'm offering it as Naivedyam. And then after Naivedyam, you have to show the Karpura Nirajanam. Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Karpura Nirajanam Sandarshyami, which means Karpura Arti you should do. And then you have to complete this. The 16th Upachara is Tambulam, which means betel nut, betel leaf, banana and coconut. Break the coconut and offer it as Tambulam. Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Tambulam Samarpayami. And then you do Pradakshina Namaskaram. Circumvent 3 times and say Yani Kani cha Papani Janmantakritani cha Tani Tani Vinashanti Pradakshina Pade Pade Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Pradakshina Namaskaran Samarpayami. Do the Pradakshina Namaskaram. And then at last you chant the mantra Om Pranam Shirsa Devam Gauriputram Vinayakam Lokapalam Smari Nityam Ayuk Kamartha Siddhayet Pratamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajagatram Chaturtakam Lambodharam Panchamam Cha Shashtam Vikatameva Cha Saptamam Vignarajam Cha Dhumra Varnatatastakam Navamam Balachandram Cha Dashamantu Vinayakam Ekadasham Ganapatam Dvadasham Tu Gajanan Dvadashaitani Namani Trasandhya Yah Patenaraha Nacha Vignavayam Tasya Sarva Siddhakaram Prabhu. Chant this. Then you can also chant Ganesha Pancharatnam, and you can also chant Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurmeveva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. So whatever mantra you know, you chant and offer your namaskarams, and this is how you complete the puja. So this you should be doing on Ganesha Chaturthi day. In the evening, also around 6:30, you light the lamp and you can just whatever, if you know to sing, you can sing the namams of Lord Ganesha or the same Pranam with Shirsadevam, you can chant that and offer some banana or dry fruit as Naivedyam. And next day morning you should do the Visarjanam. So before doing the Visarjanam, you should do Punar Puja, which means doing the puja again. Now the next day you can just do Panchopachara Puja. I have done a detailed video. I'll be sharing the video below this video. I have done a Panchopachara Puja for Lalitambika. Instead of Lalitambikaya Namaha, you can just say Om Siddhivinayakaya Namaha Panchopacharam Samarpayami. Panchopacharam is Gandham, Pushpam, Dhupam, Deepam, Naivedyam. Again, for Naivedyam, you can prepare any Naivedyam. You can prepare curd rice, or you can just offer fruits also as Naivedyam and do the Yathasthanam. So what you have to do? Take a flower, show it to Lord Ganesha and take it to your heart as if you're invoking that divine energy into yourself, and you request Lord Ganesha to be present with you always, and also request to enable you, give you that opportunity to perform this puja every single year and keep blessing you and your family throughout your life. Saying this with this intention, move the Lord Ganesha's idol towards north direction by saying Yathasthanam Pratisthapayami Punaragamanaya cha, which means come once again, and that's how you complete the puja. Now Visarjanam, some of the places they do after 5 days, after 7 days. So whichever tradition that you follow, you can continue to follow, but in our place it is 1.5 day, which means today morning you invoke Lord Ganesha, next day by afternoon you do the Visarjanam. So that is what we follow. And if it is clay idol, how to do Visarjanam? You can go to some water bodies and leave the clay idol into that water body. If it is clay, a normal clay idol that at my home we use only the normal clay idol without any paint or anything. It's just eco-friendly. You can do the Visarjanam in your home itself in a bucket of water, immerse Lord Ganesha's idol, and then that water you can put it to the plants where nobody is stamping. So that's how you do the Visarjanam of Lord Ganesha for this Ganesha Chaturthi. So as a gift to you, I am giving a PDF format of step-by-step guide of this puja with the Ashtottara mantra, with which you can chant the mantra and do the ritual. So do download the PDF guide that I have given below this video in the description and do the Ganesha Chaturthi puja in the right way and seek Lord Ganesha's blessing into your life. And if you want to go deeper into Shakti and Shakti Sadhana, I conduct free workshop. I have given a link below this video or to join the WhatsApp group where I'll be sharing the details of the upcoming workshop. And most importantly, Sharad Navaratri is fast approaching. If you want to know how to do the Sharad Navaratri Sadhana, the 10-day sadhana in the right way, I have done a detailed course which you can enroll and seek Ambal's Anugraham into your life. May Lord Ganesha remove all the obstacles that you have in your life and bless you with abundance, prosperity, growth and happiness. Guru Kataksham Ambal Anugraham Paripurnam. Shri Matre Namaha.